Okay, we are going to talk quickly about how to find a one-tailed test using Excel. Now what we're going to do is we've got an alpha of 0.05, so that would be a confidence interval of 95%. We have n of 16, and we want to find a one-tailed critical value. Now since our n is 16, our df is 1 minus 16 or 15. Those are the facts we need to know. Now we're going to switch to Excel, and we're going to go to More Functions under Formulas, and we're going to go down to T inverse. Now we're going to put in our probability 0.05, and we're going to put in our degrees of freedom 15. Now notice down here what this says. This says returns the left-tailed inverse of a student's t-distribution. This means the answer I'm getting now is the left tail. So this means you're getting the value that's on the left side or the negative side of your graph. If you want the positive, if you want the right-tailed, how you're going to correct for that is you're going to go in, you're going to go down again to T inverse, and now instead of putting in 0.05, you're going to put in the opposite. You're going to put in 0.95. So you're just reversing it. You're having it look on the other side. Again, put in 15, and you can see what we're getting here is just the positive version of what we already got. But this is a way to make sure you're getting the right answer. But that's all there is to it. All you need to know on the one-tailed is go to that T inverse and make sure you realize you're getting the left side. And if you want the right side, you'll have to correct for that or just realize it's the positive version.